Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a tower fan. If you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, but here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, here it actually looks like inside. So first thing inside right here, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right next to that, initially we do have two of the feet option for the support. And last but not least, we do have the tower fan, so let's take it out. So you can see how the product is all nicely wrapped up. And they do have the protection on here to protect the product when you guys first get it. But let's take everything out first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see inside right here, they do provide you guys the remote control. Top part right here, we do have the brand logo. And right here on top, you can see we do have the different buttons where they change the different mode to turn on, the timer option, etc. And right here in the bottom, we do have the cable. And right here is where you guys want to put on the feet option. So it's actually very easy and very simple for us to do it. Let me show you guys how to put this together first. So you're going to take out the feet first. Once you guys take it out, you guys going to put this on the bottom. So you basically want to unscrew this part right here in the bottom first. So that way you can take out the screws to put it back on. Alright, so once you guys take it out, you guys can put this on. So the way how you guys put it on is actually very simple. You guys will match the bottom part of the hole onto the bottom of the screws. So just like this. So you basically want to screw the side with the two screw option first. And that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to put it on. So that way the product is not moving when you guys put in the other one. So once you guys put the one with the two screw option on, now you can put the other side on. So you're gonna go like this. Make sure it fits in for all the slots. And then push it down. Once you guys push it down, then you put the remaining screw on. Alright, so once you guys put it on, then it's all set. So you do have the option to put the cable through right here, so that way it's organized when you guys do use it. So you basically want to bend the cable right here to hold it in place. So once you guys finish that step, then you guys all set at the bottom. Now let's plug it in to test it out to show you guys how it works. Alright, so we got plugged in. Let me bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when you guys bring the camera a little bit closer, here is basically what the product looks like. So you see in the front right here, we do have the brand logo like I mentioned. But right here, I show you guys the temperature that's in your room. So right now it's 69 degrees. And when you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to press a button on top to actually activate it. And like I mentioned, you do have the option to control it manually on here, or you can use the remote control right here on the side. So let's take it out first. Alright, so once you guys take out the remote control, here is basically what it actually looks like. So you can see for the remote control, they do label everything on here. So we do have the power button, speed button, mode button, auto button, oscillating option, and timer button. So it's basically the same kind of button that's on the fan. And if it's your first time using the product, you do want to peel this part out. So that way you can start using it. But now let's turn it on to test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like and how it works. So let's turn it on. Here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do turn it on. So you can see for the top part right here, they do show you guys like the temperature setting, the mode, and the speed that you're using. So I believe right now we do have it in the lowest setting. If you guys increase it, here is mid, and here is high. So once you guys turn it on, you can definitely feel the air that's coming out. And like I mentioned, there's different modes available. So let's press the mode button. There's like 3 different modes on here, which I assume should be the normal mode, natural mode, and also the sleep mode. And if you guys turn on auto mode, now we have it in auto mode. So I'm assuming for the auto mode, it actually will turn on by itself. Once it reaches like a certain temperature, it will turn off. And then for a timer button, if you guys press the timer button, there's 1 hour, 2, there's a 12 hours maximum. And if you guys want to turn on the oscillating option, let me show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so that is basically the oscillating option in terms of how far it can go. So it does give you guys a good amount of coverage on here when you guys use it. And I can totally see how this is going to be really useful if you guys do plan on using this in a small room. So one thing that I do mention for any kind of fan that you do get, it works so much better if you guys pair this with like an AC cooler option. So if you guys do have like an air conditioner in a room, then that is where one of these actually comes in handy. But once you guys turn everything on, here is basically what the product looks like and sounds like when you guys do turn it on a max setting. So then here, the product on here is actually pretty quiet. It's not that loud, so it actually works pretty well. And obviously, once you guys are done, you can press the power button and turn it off. And I do want to mention for the top part right here is actually pretty cool. They do have a little opening for you guys to put the remote control. So it fits perfectly on top. And when you guys look at the back part here, they do have a little handle for you guys to carry around really easily, which is pretty nice and very convenient. But if you guys notice the way how they designed the actual product, it definitely has a good foundation. So if you guys actually bump on it, it won't fall down. And also if you guys notice right now, the screen turns off. So it's basically like a power saving mode or something where it actually turns off the screen, which is really cool, especially when you guys are sleeping. So that way there's no light shining at you when you guys are actually sleeping. But I definitely love how quiet the product is when you guys actually use it, even in here. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys actually set it up and use it. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality oscillating tower fan that works the same way and looks the same way as this one right here, and also has the same functionality that's on here as well, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.